This is the table. What is the question? Analyze the relationship between the government spending and the unemployment. If you see the figures which are given over here, this is the way you attempt the analyzed question. The first thing you notice, where is the highest government spending? In this table, and that is basically say 6,600 in 2020, right? Unemployment is 6.7%. Generally, if you talk about the government spending and the unemployment rate, generally what economists think that when there is more government spending, the unemployment rate should come down, right? Because the government is using maybe expansionary monetary policy, expansionary fiscal policy, and spending in the economy, creating jobs, creating business opportunities, and that will also, when people are going to get jobs and the businesses flourish, definitely the government will come back with more tax revenue as well, okay, in the future. Okay, now this figure is in your mind. Then see what is the second one, which is the highest government spending. That is 4,400. 4,400. What is the employment rate at that? 3.7%, and that is the lowest in this list. So one value is supporting the positive relation that unemployment rate will be low when the government spending is high. Is this a direct relationship or inverse relationship? How many of you think that this is a direct relationship? Inverse है, because if the government spending is more, the unemployment rate will be low. Now see the next value, next figure in this, and that is basically 4,100, and we have got 3.9%, the second lowest unemployment rate. So what type of relation is this? Inverse relationship. When the government spending is high, there will be no rate of unemployment. Okay. 2020 is an exceptional value. Why? Because you see that although the government spending is very high, the rate of unemployment is also the highest. So this is showing that this is an exceptional value. 2020. The investment is quite, the government spending is quite large, still there is unemployment. I want to ask you why this exceptional value occurs. What can be the logical reasoning behind it? There can be a situation that the government spending is there, but there is a circumstance where the businesses have problems, such as COVID, for example. There is naturally the businesses have problems in creating jobs, and the businesses may not flourish, so they won't be able to give jobs. Yes. Maybe the government spending is in particular sectors and the other sectors are ignored. So there will be high levels of unemployment in the other sectors. Or very good. The government is spending money on giving, for example, unemployment benefits, pensions, poverty allowance, for example, and they are not actually spending on the framework of the economy. So that's why the jobs are not being created. They are not establishing industries. They are just focusing on the human welfare, जैसे unemployment fund या poverty grants maybe they are getting. So this is the logical reasoning why spending is high, unemployment is also high. The government policies are there which are weak policies. It means that they are not hitting or target all the sectors of the economy, not creating enough jobs. Maybe the government policies are not consistent. Good point, Shubham. Another thing is that, for example, if the resources are still less than the population, even the government spend money, but it will not create jobs because there is a lot of high level of population for which the resources are still not enough, and because of that there will be unemployment. Yes. Okay, so you are saying that again the sectors which they are investing are not the right ones? Excellent. Maybe the poverty level is so high and there are so many unemployed people that the government spending is not enough for them. I hope you are getting it. I will show you in the mark scheme that when we specify the exception value, there is 1 mark for logical explanation of the exception value. I have explained this in detail. We have studied the case study in detail. You don't have the time actually in the exam, so you have to go through fast. But remember, students, the way you read the data response will decide how good you can answer the questions. Okay. Let's move on to the questions.
बंद कर दो बेटियों.